EXo-Cd24 was founded in 2020. The technology stems from years of clinical research and innovative technologies in Professor Arber's lab.
My name is Nadir Arber. I'm going to share with you the intense journey we have been doing over the past year in order to develop breakthrough technology in the war against COVID-19. We treat the most important complications of the disease, the cytokine storms, using novel endogenous suppressor of the immune system, namely CD24, and endogenous carrier, the exosomes. We have developed a platform that has the potential to treat other respiratory disease, as well as systemic disease with overreactions of the immune system. The EXo-Cd24 acts as a biological immunomodulator and is designed to ameliorate the cytokine storm. We are able to produce a completely novel drug delivered directly to the place of fire, to the lung, so far without any side effects in close to 80 patients. CD24 is a small, heavily glycosylated GPAI-anchored protein that we have been working on in more than 2 decades. It has many roles in many signal transduction pathways, and in particular as a negative regulator of the immune system. The exosome, which we have been working in the last decades, are promising and relatively new cellular therapy. They are nanosized lipid vesicles secreted by most cells in our body. Amazingly, they are in charge for cell-cell interactions. EXo-Cd24 is unique, inhibiting only cytokine productions without interfering with viral clearance. CD24 bind DAMPs and this way prevent cytokine-chemokine productions, the cytokine storm. At the same time, EXo-Cd24 does not bind PAMPs. The development pathway was remarkable. Only 6 months from idea through technology inventions, in vitro and in vivo studies, including toxicity and efficacy studies in animal, until first in human, in a phase 1 clinical trial. It was an open-label phase 1b/2a that was approved by the Israeli Minister of Health on September 24, 2020, and aimed to evaluate the safety and possible efficacy of EXo-Cd24 in patients with moderate to severe COVID-19 disease. The trial included 4 dose escalation groups, a total of 35 patients. The patients received inhalations once a day for 5 consecutive days. In all of them, no adverse event or even serious adverse event related to the drug were noted. A highly encouraging and promising laboratory and clinical efficacy have been observed. Blood oxygen saturations had been significantly increased, respiratory rate returned to normal, and the cytokine levels and serum inflammatory indices dropped dramatically. Most patients felt better after 1 to 2 dosage, and disease stabilization was achieved after the 3rd dose. A dose-finding phase 2 trial in Greece was initiated on June 17, 2021, to find the minimal effective dose.
The drug appears to be safe and effective, with results very similar to the ones seen and observed during the phase 1 study performed in Israel by Professor Arber's team.
So far, more than 40 patients have been enrolled. The ultimate study, international, multi-center, quadri-blind EXo-Cd24 versus placebo, was approved by the Israeli Minister of Health. We support the vaccination strategy. Israel is a proof of concept for almost viral-free country. We need to be ready in case the eruptions of a novel infectious pandemic will occur. I wish to emphasize, we are not treating COVID-19. The efficacy of our therapeutic approach is not expected to be affected by the different mutations because it does not target the virus itself, but the damage caused by it.
Our team consists of physicians, medtech, and business experts with proven track records in multiple startups. So far, the world has faced difficult challenges. Thinking outside the box has led us to smash the wall and make us the leaders in a new concept of treatment for cytokine storm. And by doing so, we will be able to treat a very wide range of diseases, which to this day have not been treatable.